Hello, a very good evening, Pooja. How are you?
Hello, Rasi. I'm doing great, exceptionally well. Everything is under control. What about you? How have you been so far?
I'm also fine. I'm also fresh as flowers. Thank you for your concerns. Okay, so how's your life going on? How was your day today? What's going on?
Yeah. So far, my day was quite productive because I have completed my household responsibilities and my kids' responsibilities very well. And
Yeah,
look, I'm looking forward to have such great day ahead also.
yeah. I hope so.
What
You
about
will
you?
have it. Same,
Yes.
just like you. I am also a homemaker, so have done my all domestic chores at that time. Then I done a little bit of painting. Yeah,
Okay.
and then I do little bit of, practice in group and practice my English speaking. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. So, are you fond of drawing, painting?
No, it is something new actually. I will talk to you
Okay.
about that, but before that, I would love to know about you. So could you please introduce yourself? Then I will tell you how I start painting.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sure. I'm delighted to introduce myself. My name is Pooja. I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore with my family. In terms of my education, I have done masters with science and B.Ed and CTET qualified. And in terms of my hobby, I have a itchy feet. I love to explore and travel new places, their culture. And nowadays, I have a bee in my bonnet about learning this language because it's a global language and it's quite fascinating also. So yeah, because of this concern and compulsion, I don't want to break my chain of this journey. So that's why I have created YouTube channel also by the name Learning List with Pooja, so that I can impart whatever I have knowledge to others, to needy people. So yeah, in a nutshell, I would say I consider myself positive, go-getter, high flyer person, and that's a bit about me. Thank you for
that's
asking.
That's really amazing to hear about you and such a lovely introduction. So, as you were asking about my painting, so I am not a fond of painting, but there was a curiosity. I love to fill the colors in that drawing. So I was just asking with to my husband, just bring some colors to me. I want to do some drawing. So he ordered
Okay.
ready to fill colors painting. So I am just trying to fill that colors and exploring new things. Maybe what will happen with that painting, I am not I don't know.
No, no, it will
Okay.
go good. Actually, my son has also such kind of, he's also fond of coloring, drawing, and I also bought some ready-made drawing so that they would feel the color on it.
Yeah.
So nowadays he is practicing.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think it will improve his concentration power.
yes, yes.
That's why
So because
I
of
I was curious
this,
about it. Yeah.
okay, okay.
Yeah. You were saying something. I interrupted you between.
No, no, actually, I was saying yes, yes, it happened. Like I was also doing the same, but nowadays, because of lots of household responsibilities, so I have ordered for my son, and my daughter is also inculcating this habit. So
That's
both
good.
are, sometime in their leisure time, they just paint and draw and just happy with this creativity.
Yeah, I have never done it in my childhood, so I think let's give it a try. Doesn't matter what kind of age we have, in which age we are going on. Okay,
Yes, yes,
so should we continue our conversation on the particular
yes,
topic?
yes, yes.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
curious about like, which topic you are picking up. The
As
ball is
I
in your court.
Yeah, as I shared with you, we will talk about homemaking. So,
Okay.
as a girl, as a married woman, we know what are homemakers. But here, I want to know, first of all, what you think when I said to you, what does homemaking means to you? You have
Okay.
turned off your camera. Now
No,
it's good.
actually, it happened.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, yeah, as you asked this question, homemaker, especially we can resonate with this word because nowadays we are homemaker, and I think after getting married, so no, it doesn't matter like they are working or they are sitting on their hand. They have to fulfill and desire their family. So
Hmm.
I think they have to be a homemaker. So
Yeah.
for me, homemaker, yeah. What's my concern about this word that homemaker means creating happy and peaceful and loving environment at home. And yeah, because the homemakers are the heartbeat of the family, and
Agree.
they yeah, it's not about cooking, cleaning and physically present for their family. It's about emotionally, physically, mentally they are present with the same enthusiasm for their family. So I think it is the place where we feel safe and valued. So this is the place of I would say that like we make a confined walls we turn into a home where everyone feel their responsibilities. They because behind every happy family some who are quietly giving their sacrifices, their value to their family members. So yeah, it's in a nutshell, I would say home and homemaker is the amalgamation of joyful moment, sharing their sorrow moment, and happy and give respect to all the family members.
Agree, agree. And you explain it very nicely. What is homemaking is when a person puts their effort, not only a person, all the members, they put their
Yes, yes,
effort to turn a house into a home where you feel emotional
yes,
attachment, where you feel that support, where you feel that freedom, and where you feel
yes.
that 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 courage that
Safe.
someone is behind you and someone you have in your life with whom you can do anything. Okay,
Yes,
so as you said, when we talk about homemaking and when we talk about homemakers, so we have a, you know, stereotypes in society, like always we consider women like homemakers. Every married
yes.
woman is a homemaker, as you mentioned in the starting of your answer. But here I want to know, in modern times, like everything is in their changing time, so can a man can play a role of homemaker? What do you think?
Yes, 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 why not? Because a woman is doing so, everyone can do. Like no matter is a woman or is a man. Because what it demands for homemaking, it demands sacrifices, responsibilities, commitment. What we have, we need to because there is not a certain line and certain, as you said, stereotype. We have to break this chain, stereotype. And I have seen like lots of conservative family, they always give preference to women. But now gender is totally changing, and we can see that women also going outside, they are working profession, they are
Hmm.
following their passion also. And in other hand, men, I think after COVID, because nowadays we are performing like they are doing their work from home. So then responsibilities can divide. Like men and women both are educated, and they know the value and the importance of women, because she is also giving lots of sacrifices their life. They have to complete all the household chores, and after that they have with the same enthusiasm, 100% full attention they have to give their home as office also. So it's not responsibility about the women that they have to show up themselves in every field. So men also they can do with commitment, responsibilities and sacrifices. So I think we need to change, because we are living in this educated era where like even everyone is same, we have equal right. So yeah, the men can also fulfill. Even I have seen my sister-in-law, they both are working. So whenever they reach home, they both enters into kitchen, and they both, if one person is kneading the floor, so other person is chopping the vegetable. So in this way we can divide our work. And I think it create a happy environment in their life also, and our kids also learn from their family. we can lead by example. So
Yeah.
values and respect, commitment, sacrifices can, it can't taught, it can caught from their families.
Agree, 100% agree with you, because nowadays what I feel is time is changing, and it's
Yes,
totally depend on, what kind of family background, what kind of upbringing you also have given to your boys too. Like for a man,
yes, yes,
if I talk about the generation of our father's generation, so it was not easy for them to help our mamas in kitchen
yes,
and in domestic chores. But when I see my husband, when I observe his attitude about me, about our home, so he always there for helping me in domestic chores. Doesn't matter I am washing dishes, doesn't matter I am
yes,
just cleaning anything, it doesn't matter I am trying to decorating my house. As you said, home is a responsibility of all the person who are living in that home. So yes,
yes,
men can play a role of homemakers as well, in financial planning
yes,
too, in giving freedom to each other. Like if women have to ask for something, so I think there should be something that men also try to ask for permission to their life partners as well. And it's
yes.
50-50. But
It's a two to
as
tango. I really
yeah,
agree with you. So, two to tango, that if women is doing household chores, so yes, definitely men should also do this. At least they
agree.
should help. Maybe they would not able to do all the tasks, but at least they should help them, like whatever. Because the strength of the nation begin with the strength of the family. If
Agree.
how we can make our nation strength, and even how we can make our strength our family. First, like partners should be cooperative, and they should do help each other, support each other, so that we can lead example of our kids as well, so they will
Yeah.
also learn this.
And when you help each other, when then the family atmosphere, the positive vibes, that aura, that change
Yes,
totally. You live
yes,
happy,
yes,
then you will try to make others happy. If you are not living a
yes,
happy life, if you are frustrated, then it becomes difficult to maintain that vibrations, and it becomes difficult, and you got frustrated on your kids, you got frustrated on your family members, then the
yes,
bitterness comes into your relationships. So what I feel,
yes,
it is better to choose that calmness and help each other, so that your kids can learn from you, so that the vibrations of your house can be changed. So it's not only about
yes,
managing chores only, it about our inner peace
yes,
too.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
definitely I agree with you.
Yeah. So do you feel society has some stereotypes for women? If you feel so, do you want to share with me like what kind of stereotypes we have for women, especially for homemakers?
Yes. Yes, yes, like lots of stereotype, because we are giving our full time, because we are, sorry, sorry.
No worries. No worries.
Yes,
No worries.
because we don't have a fixed salary, we don't have a fixed time. So I think we are counted on a like nothing, we are useless. And even I have seen who are working, people usually don't try to poke their nose in their business. But in terms of our life, they always ask for help. They take us granted,
Hmm.
because they think like we are nothing. We are just doing cleaning, washing, and we are just taking care of home. So we have bundle of time, they just ask for every time. So this kind of conservative family I have seen at my village, especially villagers are like this here. Like in cities, like no one give most value to other family. They have their own work, all are working. And even in Bangalore, I'm living here, so even I don't know who lives near to me. But in village, like I have seen, they try to take advantages from themselves. And they give value to earning person, earning women, and they give respect to them. And even for their one call, they are ready to do anything, everything they are ready to do.
Yes.
But nowadays, what I feel like sometimes showing yourself busy is also helpful to take care of yourself. Like nowadays, I'm learning, so I'm taking session. So sometimes it's very helpful for me. because usually we take us granted and they usually ask for something. So I think slowly and gradually this kind of conservative and stereotype beliefs are changing in our society,
Hmm.
because education play a vital role here. If you are educated, so you will not try to kill your time. As we know, time and tide waits for none, so you will give value to your time, your kids. But earlier what happened, I have seen who are not educated, they always give value to others work. What's going on, they feel malicious pleasure, to others misfortune. I think this is called apocryphy. So they try to poke their nose. So nowadays,
Hmm.
because of education, because of we are giving value to our time, and everyone wants to prove themselves, so they are busy their life. To some extent it is fading away in our life, but somehow who are still, they have conservative belief, they always try to make the most out of it. But if you are yeah, if you are wise and if you are intellectual enough, so yeah, just try to brush it off and focus on your work. So
I
it
agree.
is my mantra actually.
I agree with you because first, as you mentioned, we homemakers sometimes we takes us ourselves, over granted, and we feel
Yeah.
overwhelmed. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed. Still, we don't have that courage to say no to someone. So the biggest weakness is we
Yeah.
can't say no. So first of all, we
Yes.
have to understand that we are important for ourselves. Nobody else is going
Yes.
to help us in our time. So don't try to be available every time without any demand. Because when we
Yes.
available for 24 by 7, so they can't value us. They
Yes. They
have to
try to keep us
understand the
connected.
they have to understand the importance of ourselves, the importance of homemakers too. Like we have seen in our families, doesn't matter, you are ill, you are suffering with any disease or something, but you have to cook food for your family. Nobody else is going to help you. These kind of
Yes. Yes.
beliefs people have. If any financial planning is going on in your family, nobody is going to talk to you about this. People
Yes.
think
Yes.
if you are managing home, so there is no need to discuss financial things to you. But it's not like that. As you said, today's women, they all are educated. They know everything. And if they don't know anything, so first of all, if you know something, so please try to make them understand. Then they will
Yes.
share their opinion. Maybe you will come up on a new idea that will
Yes.
work for you in a better way. So here I come a point comes in my mind. As we are talking about homemaking, I feel leadership and management skills, they these two
Yes.
skills are the virtue of a perfect homemaker. I'm not talking about
Yes.
only women, it's about homemaker. So do you feel these
Yes.
skills come very important in homemaking? And professional things, I mean, in profession these are important, but in homemaking too.
Yes, yes. And I have seen like we try to burn ourselves to keep others warm
Yeah.
because of seeking validation. We want like that validation, that appreciation from others. We don't give value to ourselves. As you said, that we should give value to ourselves first. Then we should expect this thing from others. Because if we are not giving value, sometimes saying no, no here is very good for taking care of ourselves.
Yes,
So
yes.
don't then, yeah, because I have seen lots of, even I was also used to do this. I dance in others' tune. But that day I realized like no one is giving validation because they are habitual of those things and they expect more and more from ourselves. And we are just killing our time, we are killing our joy. Even as you said, like we are not in that condition, good frame of mind. We don't want to do that thing, whatever they are asking. But because of habit, because of validation, we just say yes, I can do, I'm good, I will do this. So it affect our harmony. So firstly we need to give value to ourselves and just try to introspect, you are on that situation or not, that you can fulfill their desire. First give value to yourself, prioritize your work, then give like value to others. I think
Yeah.
it is the best approach.
We should
to
know
be
how to
happy in
read
your life.
between the lines. Everyone
Yes,
doesn't have the same feeling as we have for someone. So that's the
yes,
difference. And that's the skill we all have to learn. And I think, life, our experiences teaches us very well. So we have to
yes.
consider them as a valuable things. And the another thing which I want to share, what I want to share, I forget. I lose the point.
And nothing would happen. If you would say directly no to them, to nothing would happen. Maybe next time, whatever they want from you, they will at least single second they would give to themselves, that I should say or not. They
Yeah.
will give value to yourself, that it is right time to say to him or her or not. Otherwise, they always means they never give value to your time, your privacy.
At last, we can say
Yes,
don't try to be a people pleaser, but we can try
yes,
to become a people lover. There is a difference
yes,
between these two terms, and people have to understand, especially homemakers. They have to understand that
yes, yes,
there is no need to have to make them happy and it be available for everyone. Okay, so
yes, yes.
at last, if I want to say to you, you have a chance to redefine the definition of homemaking and homemakers. So how would you love to define it?
Okay, so I would say that homemaker or homemaking is the heartbeat of family, and they provide the room to give the respect, commitment, sacrifices. I think it's a two to tango, like give and take. If you are giving respect to your homemaker, because homemaker we can consider as a home minister. He has to
Yes,
show up themselves with a all day, not a single day, without taking any salary, without having any limited time. She is like giving their 100%. Even when their child is too small, they have to wake up whole night, and the whole day they have to work, they have to run against the clock, burn the midnight oil, and they have the real concern about your life, because she is holding each and everything on their shoulder. So you should also respect and give, because appreciation also sometimes it matters a lot. It can boost their confidence, energy. And if you are giving a small word of appreciation, it can give a whole meaning of life to her. So I have seen, because I belong from a village, so I have seen my mother, my aunt, my sister, how they do, because now we are in a luxurious life we are spending. We don't have that much work, but after all, what I have seen, that like their husband, their kids always have lots of complaint, that mama you don't do this, and they abuse them. So that time, yes, our heart sank, literally. So what they don't want money, jewelry, big house. They have just that aim, that dream, that their kids would success, their family would be happy, peace, prosperity, everything, for everything they demand. So we need to give respect to them. We need to give appreciation and validation. Your one word can fill their heart. So
I
this is from
agree
my
with
side.
I agree with you. And at last, we can say homemaking is not a work only for women. It is a
Yes,
stereotype in today's world. It is a skill. If a boy
yes,
wants to manage his home, if a boy wants to decor his home, his room, then he can. And it's normal today. So don't
yes,
try to be strict with women's only that you are going to judge a woman if she is doing your household chores, so she is a homemaker. No, she is trying to manage everything, like your social connections as well. You don't know with
yes,
whom you have social connections, like your relatives, your
yes.
neighbors, but your family
Everything.
members, like those who are managing the all the responsibility of home, they know everything. When you have to submit your
Yes,
fees, when you have to pay your bills, when you have to receive anything, so everything is there. Doesn't matter it is a small thing or how much important thing. If homemakers will not be there, so you we can't
yes.
imagine our life. I
Yeah,
I
I would
can
like
just
to
say
say,
that thing. Yeah.
yes, I would like to say homemaker is the foundation of your home. And if you will break it, so your house will not exist.
Yeah.
And like she is a multitasker, and she usually wears so many cap. Multitasker, automatically they change their color, their passion. Like she is now is home like mother. After some time, if you are ill, you have a health issue, so she will become doctor, and she has all the medicine. If she doesn't have, so she would go far away from you to buy this, to care of you. And all of a sudden she become teacher to teach you good etiquettes, good thing. So yeah, I would say that we should not take granted to our parent, our especially homemaker, and we should give respect because she is the backbone of the family.
I agree
In
with
a
you.
nutshell, yeah, she and homemaker is the bridge between your life and your successful, achieving your dream as well.
Agree. And you explain it very well, Pooja ji. So I think I have done all of my questions. So do you want to ask something for me?
Okay, actually, I didn't collect any question, but
No
all
worries.
of a sudden it came in my mind. So I'm saying that how do you describe yourself in a one word as a homemaker?
A good manager.
Okay,
I am
lovely.
good at managing at everything, like financial things, a good planner, you can say. I have each and every record of my home, and
Yes,
you will maybe you will find it funny, but I know everything, like each and every door, what kind of things there are,
yes.
and I
Actually, we
have
are,
quantings. Yeah. So,
yes, because we are managing all these things. So we are house manager.
and
We
I
are
think
versatile.
every homemaker, they are a good manager. They know
Yes,
when they have to go outside, when they have to be inside, when they have to be ready very well, and when they can wear any comfortable clothes. So we are multitasker, as you said.
yes, yes. They are the home minister. So,
Yeah, they are home ministers. Okay, so do you
yes.
have something else?
No, no, actually, I have learned a lot, and whatever I have, like, I don't know it was good or not, but
It
I
was
try to,
extremely good. It was extremely good. The way you
yeah,
speak, the vocabulary you used, and a word was there. I am not able to recall that word. You use a single word about. I will try to find out in the session. And you use some idioms as well, some phrasal verbs like brush it
mhm.
on and something. So you use so many things. So thank you for sharing all of these things with me, and thank you for being here with me on my YouTube channel. It was a precious
Thank you
time.
so much.
Thank you for sharing your time
Yes,
with
yes.
me. Thank you.
Likewise, feeling is mutual, and I learned a lot from your insight also. And thank you so much for sharing your screen. I'm looking forward to have such kind of great conversation with you again and again. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a
You
nice
too.
evening. Bye bye.
Thank you.